Yesterday, gold has created a bullish candle and it was a bullish breakout. It was invalidation of the previous day, a bearish breakout, which means a bullish breakout which needs to be confirmed today. But as it looks right now, the price is starting to rise in value, and we can see that the price is starting to go to the higher levels and starting to target this area, which is around 2645.96 as the next target. And we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, I already have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis this bullish breakout, and you can see that also I have opened the order with the exit with the target right here around this area of the demand zone 2641.47, and we can see this is the next resistance level on the 1-hour time frame, and the 4-hour time frame shows me 2647.18 as the next target. So we can see the daily target is here 2653.45, and we can see what I have said just now, 2645.96 is the area of the daily time frame, which will be the first target for now as it looks right now, if this bullish momentum continues to rise in value. And for now, this looks bullish more than it is bearish, because the price has formed this bullish breakout, which will be confirmed for sure today. The price will start to rise, and where the next target will be around this area. So if there is any kind of bearish or bullish breakout, like in this example, I will share that with the traders inside the premium analysis. And if the price reverses, for example, if the price do not manage to make a bullish breakout above this one, reaching this area of resistance, there is also potential that the price will continue to fall in value and go below, forming a bearish breakout with target here and also the targets here. What will happen, we'll see during the day how this behaves, and if you would like also to get this information, feel free to watch on the premium analysis. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.